Here are the simple steps for you to generate leads by running ads on Instagram, specifically through the Instagram stories or newsfeed. And these ads will run through and appear between your targeted audience's Instagram feed. The first step is to ensure that the email you are using syncs for both of your Facebook and Instagram account. You will also need a Facebook business account. Now, some of you might notice that there are users who advertise their products or services using their individual FB account. However, regardless if you choose to advertise it under an official company name or as an individual, you will definitely still need to set up an official business account or a business manager to sync it with your ad account. And when you already have a Facebook business account, you can now proceed to run your Instagram ad campaign. Go to your ads manager and click on create an ad. Then you proceed to select your campaign objectives. As we focus on generate leads, you can select your objectives from the following: traffic, engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, messages. Then on the ad set section, click on the placements. Then click on edit placements. Click on stories or feed. For this tutorial, let's choose stories for the sake of an example. So set your budget for your campaign. The next step is to set a format for your Instagram story ad. You can either have a single image to represent your ad or a single video. Note that the recommended image or video ratio for Instagram story ad is about 9:16, so your ads will appear for like 15 seconds on the Instagram story. Then you enter the link for your website in the ad, as well as your call to action. And when you're ready with your ads, or if you want to edit some of the ad sections, click on review. And when all your settings are completed, you can then click on confirm to publish your ad.
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.